Hello students, welcome to in 5 minutes. Let's start with partial fraction method of IZT. So I'll just mention here. So now I'll explain you this with an example. So let's take first example. Find inverse ZT, I say as IZT of f of z is equal to 1 divided by z minus 3 and z minus 2. If ROC is, so obviously they will be giving me ROC. So first is mod of z is less than 2. Second is mod of z is greater than 2 and less than 3. And third is mod of z is greater than 3. So what we can see here, let's start with ZT. So f of z is 1 divided by z minus 3, z minus 2, which can be written as a divided by z minus 3, b divided by z minus 2. So for finding a and b, let's find a and b. So a, I need to put z equal to 3, which gives me 1, and for b I need to put z is equal to 2, which gives me minus 1. So therefore I can write f of z as 1 divided by z minus 3 minus 1 divided by z minus 2. So after this, let's start with inverse of each ROC. That means I will be doing inverse with respect to each ROC. So first is, if we say mod of z is less than 2, that is obvious that mod of z is less than 3. So therefore what we can write mod of z by 2 is less than 1 and mod of z by 3 is less than 1. So from here, what I need to take common to make in a standard series, what I'll be taking common, I'll be taking constants common. So 1 divided by, I can take 3 common, so that comes z by 3 minus 1. Further, minus 1 divided by 2 common, z by 2 minus 1. So this changes to minus 1 upon 3, 1 minus z by 3, and minus divided by, so I can take minus again common, this becomes plus 2, 1 minus z by 2. So f of z comes to minus 1 by 3, 1 minus z by 3 raised to minus 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 minus z by 2 raised to minus 1. So students, I just give you a small note that will be helpful to understand that what to take common rather than doing all this thing. I say that if mod of z is greater than any pole, take z common from that pole, or take constant common. So that means here it was mod of z was less than 2, it is obvious that mod of z is less than 3, that's why from both I took constant common. Only when it is greater than any pole, we need to take z common. So once I expand this, I get as minus 1 by 3, this comes to be 1 plus z by 3 plus z square by 9, or I can say as 3 square z cube by 3 cube plus 1 by 2, 1 plus z by 2 plus z square by 2 square plus dot dot dot. Now let's multiply this 1 by 3 inside. I can write minus of 1 by 3 plus z upon 3 square plus z square upon 3 cube plus and the next is plus this thing I can write as 1 by 2 plus z upon 2 square plus z square upon 2 cube plus dot dot dot.